Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. This one maybe comes a little bit late, but what we're going to talk about is clearing the memory in your auto steer. So what happens a lot of times is you get too many fields and too many way lines built up in there, especially if you're not saving your way lines and reusing them. Year after year, you get another coverage map and another set of way lines. And what it does is it'll start to slow your terminals down. This applies to tractors, sprayers, windrowers, pretty much anything that has an auto steer screen in it. So if you're starting to experience some slowing down of either your mapping features or the console seems to be really slow to react when you're doing things with the auto steer, maybe just have a look at that. We have specific videos up on the website that go through how to do it on the tractor, how to do it on the sprayer, how to do it on the windrower. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.